What's up, everybody? It's Tiffany Stone checking in for another AMSOIL all-access check-in. Drove the Jeep down here, you can see it right there. But last time I had a chance to talk to this person, we were at SEMA, and both of us live in Arizona, so I said I definitely want to come check out the vehicles that this person has, and I'm here. The vehicle that is right behind me, you've maybe seen it before. And the person hiding behind the vehicle, you might have seen her before as well. Kayla, it is so good to see you down here. We were talking about coming together, doing a cool check-in and checking out your vehicles, and we are finally here. So we are at Kayla's house.
Welcome.
Welcome.
The collection is here. I'm excited to show you guys.
And what we were talking about, this one right behind her, this is her Camaro. So this is the one that she saved up every single little penny that she had, worked all those hours after seeing Transformers, and said, I definitely want to get myself a Camaro. So this is a 5th gen Camaro?
5th gen Camaro, it's a 2013 SS. Yeah, I bought it at the age of 18, all on my own, and this car has taught me everything that I know today about the automotive industry and building cars, and helped me build all the other cars I have.
That is awesome. And like she was mentioning to me earlier, she learned how to drive a manual with this. She learned how to pretty much race, do track days, do everything with this vehicle. So it's really cool to see it. But I'm excited, guys. I want to show you this one. Can we go in here a little bit? Check out this one that you guys see right here. These are the two that I definitely wanted to check out. So
the latest projects.
The latest project?
These are both BMW E30s. We have a 1989 and a 1987. Complete opposite builds. Literally 9 months, all on my own. It was the first car I've actually ever done a chassis up build on. Really proud of this one.
All right, so I wanted to get a closer look at this vehicle. May I get in?
Of course, go ahead.
Are you sure? Like I could just...
Yeah, there's this huge bar in the way.
Is this how we do it?
It's a little tight. Usually people remove the steering wheels to get in, but I don't have one of those, right?
I don't have one of those. All right.
Wow.
Oh, that was good.
It's impressive. And my little shifter with the pink golf ball, because we play golf all the time.
No, this is awesome. I love this. So what have you done on the inside of this?
So I ripped out this entire interior.
Okay.
This cage is a 6-point welded in cage, and it's painted in Porsche racing yellow. It's a Porsche color. This is a Tremec transmission, 6-speed manual.
Okay.
There's really nothing in this interior. It has full sound dampening from DEI that I sprayed on the whole interior of the chassis. You can see the boom mat behind you, and you know, it still has a ways to go.
This is awesome. This is cool. Oh, what I love about this is that this is a BMW. So you have Porsche colors for your BMW inside. And then when we look over here, this is clearly not a BMW setup, and even says here, protect your investment. Use genuine BMW parts.
That's right. This is all genuine BMW parts that you're seeing right in front of you. This sticker actually comes stock on the E30. On the green car, it has one. So we had to put it back in. You know, I shaved the whole engine bay and has an LS3 now.
You know, we have those so-called purists out there that would probably be freaking out about this right now because you did a bunch of different things you weren't supposed to. So back here, you won't be able to see it, but I'll get you guys a picture. But back here, you even put purist in quotations. Huge quotations.
Everyone can see it at car shows.
You kind of built this one first behind us, and then you moved over here. This is your track car, your play car, show car. Obviously, both of them mean a lot, but really, what was the deciding factor for this?
Well, like we were talking about with my Camaro, I've learned everything car related on that car. So I know LS's really, really well over any other engine. So I decided to put that in here because I was like, I'm going to use my strengths. Throw it in this car. And man, it did challenge me a lot. I thought I knew everything. I learned a lot with this car. But it runs and it drives. It's my favorite thing on this planet. I love this car. It's like, makes me speechless. I can't believe I even built this thing. I look at it and I see cars like this at a car show. I'm like, how did I even do that?
I feel like if you don't do it, like anything, if you just don't start, then how are you going to know? And then you're going to get stuck and then you're just kind of over it. But this is really, really cool. And when you go to the shows or the track days, what do people say when they realize there's an LS underneath?
Oh, this thing draws a crowd. It has people all over, because you can hear it from, you know, miles away, the whole crowd comes around it. But what's funny is this car gets almost the same amount of attention, even though it's dead quiet. Just as also Porsche olive green that we had painted in the garage that you're looking at right now.
See, and I really like how you kind of do everything yourself. You have you know, some help, family, friends. Obviously, you ask people some questions, but you come together, you build what you like, and I think that's kind of what we need more in this world is build what you like, build what you want, and don't worry what anybody says.
Yeah, and never be afraid. You know, you can do anything. I never thought I would ever be able to do this ever in my life, and it's always doable.
I love that. I love that. So let's go a little bit about this one.
Yeah, this is a full stock interior. This is with the nice upgraded like Recaro seats. This comes factory in some E30s. Not this car. We put it in. You know, we upgraded the steering wheel. This is an automatic. Just a simple daily. And we just painted this, replaced all the bushings, replaced the suspension, and just left it there.
So let's go look at your Camaro now. I know we kind of just bypassed that, guys. It's 90 degrees already here in Arizona. So tell me a little bit about the Camaro.
Oh man, this is my baby. I mean, this interior is actually pretty much stock. I've kept it super comfortable, but everything performance-wise is upgraded. This is full suspension build. This has a custom paint job as well. This is like an ice pearl flake in it. You can sometimes see it in the sun. It's all sparkly. It's so hard to tell on camera.
Oh, I do remember you telling me about that. This is neat. So what's underneath here?
So this was an LS3 that we stroked out to a 417. So this is a like naturally aspirated build that makes 605 horsepower to the wheels with like no supercharger, no turbo, no anything. So it's a perfect track build, high torque at all times.
And then we've got this last one over here.
Yeah, this is my daily driven Honda Civic. I guess more of a show car. I was supposed to leave it stock. Didn't happen. You know how that goes. This is wrapped in Ruby Star, which is also a Porsche color. You know, Porsche family, I guess. And we just did small light upgrades on this car. It also has built suspension. And yeah, this is basically stock. This is the thing I go get groceries with.
I love that. All right, so let's go and back into the garage because she does have a few other stock vehicles that not really in the fleet, but in the fleet. So when we're looking at it, we have your Porsche, your GT3 RS that you see here.
Yeah, this is an '08. All these colors are from factory, so we didn't do anything. These wheels come orange from factory. This car's completely stock, and I just do maintenance items on it. We haven't even changed the brakes out on it, and I believe it almost has 70,000 miles, so
that's cool.
We drive this car.
I love that. And then you've got this one, the AMG, the G-Wagon.
Yep, G63 AMG. This car's so fun, completely stock. Actually, we upgraded the turbos, but
don't tell anybody.
It sounds cool.
Well, this is awesome. I just want to say a big shout out. Kayla, thank you so much for having me come check this out. Now, if you guys want to see some of her cool builds, see what she's up to, like we talked about, the two behind us, she kind of just finished. She said this one right here was, how long was it down for? 9 months? You built it 9 months?
Yeah.
10 months?
9 months.
9 months.
Build.
And then I said, hey, I'm coming over. She's like, okay, well, I better finish this. So that just got done, but I am so excited. Thank you so much for letting me check this out. Now, if we want to see some more of your cool builds, where do we go?
Yeah, everything is under Kayla Rundle. We have YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Another T-Stone approved builds garage. Either way, thank you guys so much for checking out another episode of AMSOIL All Access. I'll see you guys on the next one.